This is a 1951 Smith Corona Silent typewriter. It has been refurbished and it is ready to type. The finish on this 1951 Smith Corona Silent looks really good. It has some wear consistent with its age. It looks really good overall. Just a little bit of a scuff here. And it looks like there may have been a sticker on the lid at one time. There's a light mark there. The back of it has some scratching scuffs. Kind of a dark brown chocolate color, I guess. This typewriter also comes with its original user's manual, which is pretty aged, but it's still quite readable. It also comes with its original case, of course. It has been cleaned and it's solid and it latches well. But it does have quite a bit of wear with cloth. It's a wooden case. It's covered in cloth. It wears off in the corners. There's quite a few marks on it. But it's still solid. It's for the 1951 Smith Corona Silent.